So SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound. Right? So every time you're writing any goal for yourself or for anybody else in the organization, you have to keep that in mind, that everything that you are taking out or you're writing it down on a piece of paper should be very specific. Very specific in the sense it needs to be very concise and precise, short and sweet. Second is measurable. The more quantitative analysis you put to the SMART goals, the better it will be in the measurable. Right? As much numbers as you can put to your goals, it will give you much better results, productivity, and evaluation of what actually you can do and you can attain. Third is attainable. It has to be very important to keep in mind that whatever goals you are keeping, though it should be really hard to achieve, but still it should be achievable. Right? It should not be in a very unrealistic word that you can write down that you want to suppose you want to start your writing your personal goals, right? That you have to do exercise every day. You need to lose your weight. So how are you going to write personal goals for that? So we'll come to that. We will do this exercise today with all of you right here practically so that you understand this exercise a little bit more in detail. Right, next is realistic. So it has to be very realistic as well as difficult. The last one is time bound. Everything that you put a time foundation to gives you a timelines that this is where you have to finish your goal. If we keep it open ended, there will not be a time boundness to any goal. Then obviously our mind will not be able to get into the mode of achieving that with results. Right? Always think about that whenever you have a timeline, whether it is your presentation in your office or you have to cook food on time. Everything is time bound, and when it is time bound we become much more productive. That is the reason why smart goals has to be time bound. Right, so showing the same picture which Gulshan used. So this picture actually gives you the clarity that what exactly are we looking at when we are doing smart goals. What is it that we need to do under each category? So when we talk about, say, we say specific. So specific is very clear that what exactly you have in your mind, what you want to achieve. Simple as that. Measurable is how well you know when you have to reach it. Otherwise, how will you know if you won't give any measurement to it? So for example, even if we cook food at home, we always have this criteria in mind that how many people are there in home for which you have to do the cooking. You cannot cook food for 20 people knowing that you just have 7 family members, right? So similar things happens in the organization that you have to keep in mind that your objective has to be very measurable in terms of what you are bringing for the organization. Whether it is in terms of number of hirings you are doing, whether it is in terms of how much social media uh, discussions you are opening up for the new prospective clients and customers, or any other thing. So it has to be measurable, quantifiable, achievable. It is in your power to accomplish it or not, right? Though we always say that nothing is impossible, I am possible, everything is like that. But still, you have to keep it in your mind whether what you have set a target for yourself can be achievable or not. R is, can you realistically achieve it? So, with the timelines that you are giving it, can you really achieve it in during that timeline, or you need more? So, realistic talks about how honest you are to yourself. Because what happens in organization is organization में these goal sheets are prepared by somebody else for you. You don't generally do that, and they give you very unrealistic timelines and deadlines that within 24 hours, within 48 hours, this thing needs to be finished or to be done. But you have to ask that question yourself that are you really capable, or you have the external factors supporting it, or can you really reach up to that point what is written in your goal sheet? Because what happens is most of the failures that happens during smart goals is purely because of this thing, that we don't give it realistic timelines and we don't give it realistic achievable output. Then time bounds is that when exactly do you plan to complete it or finish it. That's very simple. Now there are some examples that I wanted to share with you. So this is the core. This is the sheet that we use in our organizations, which talks about how actually you can create your SMART goals. The specific talks about what you achieve, accomplish the goal, when you have to do goal, finish the goal, why you achieve this goal exactly, right? So what, who, when, and why. So the four W's it answers. Measurable is how you can measure your progress. So what are the KPIs that is attached to your goals that can actually help you achieve that? Achievable are you capable of achieving the goal or not? What skills do you need to achieve that? What exactly are factors are you needing to complete and accomplish your goals? Right? For example, you plan to go for a walk in the morning every day. Right? That's the goal that you have kept for yourself. That every morning between 7 to 7:20, I'll go for a walk, 20 minutes walk. Right? But suddenly it rains. So do you think you will be able to achieve your goals? No. Correct? So what are you going to do in those 20 minutes that you have kept for yourself for walking in order to reduce your weight? What will you do? So there should be another plan that I have to reach goal of losing 3 kgs in a month. Correct? For which
Yes.
I have created my specific goals. Like, I will do 20 minutes walk, I will do 10 minutes yoga, and I'll do 10 minutes of, 5 minutes of skipping, rope skipping. And the timeline that you have kept for yourself is 1 month, 3 kgs. Right? So it is quantifiable, measurable, it has timelines, it is accomplished. But what if you are not able to do that 20 minutes of walk every day because of various reasons? Sometimes it becomes too sunny, it is too hot to go out at 7:20. Sometimes it starts raining, or sometimes there is a storm. So what is the next goal that you can keep for yourself so that you still achieve your 3 kgs, you still lose 3 kgs of your weight?
Yeah,
So what will
doing
you
exercise
keep
at
in
home,
mind?
ma'am.
Yes, so you will keep some extra timing to some other activities ready which you can do. Maybe if you have treadmill, then you can do treadmill at home. If you do not have treadmill, then something else that you can do at home, in that 20 minutes, in order to utilize that 20 minutes to help you lose your weight. Correct? So similar things we have to do in the organization. We have to keep our plan B ready so that your quantification or measurement of goals does not go haywire. Next is relevant. Why should you achieve this goal and what is this impact? What is the due date of your goal is timely? Can the goal be achieved until this date or not? So 3 kgs in 1 month is not really a tough task, depending upon what is the timelines, what are the goals that you have kept for yourself, what are the KPIs. Now coming to OKR. So SMART goals we have been discussing for almost a week now. Last week we started and it's going on. So let's come back to what exactly are objectives and key results. So when we join an organization, generally we are given either the goal sheets in terms of SMART goals, which talks about everything, or we can give people their objective and key results areas. So these are the areas which actually focus on everything that is attainable with realistic timelines. So OKR की full form है objective and key results. Objective basically talks about a statement that you're looking to achieve. It can be hiring 30 people in a month. It can be producing more products by the end of the month, giving it a quantifiable thing. So anything that you want to do, increase the market share can be one of the statements. Anything. So objective is your statement. Then what are the key results that you take? So these are the steps that you actually undertake in order to achieve your objective. So what are the examples for this? This is the framework. That's how it is designed. So objectives are the goals that inspire and set your direction, similar to what SMART goals are. Key results are the steps that you take to achieve that goal or objective. And then what are the initiatives? So minor tasks that you actually do. Right? Where do I need to go? How I need to get there, and what I will do to get there. Clearly understood? So these are the examples. So suppose you have your statement says that your objective says that you have to increase your recurring revenue. How are you going to do it? You will share the monthly subscription increase to 85%. Your average subscription size goes to $295 per month. Reduce churn rate to less than 1% monthly. For HR, suppose the goal is improve internal employee engagement that we talked about. What are we going to do in order to do that? We will do average weekly satisfaction score of at least 4.8 points. We will conduct weekly fun Fridays, or we will have external speakers to conduct that, or we will implement OKRs in all departments in January. Then suppose the goal is implement user testing process in an IT company. What are they going to do? Conduct at least 4 face-to-face testing sessions, receive at least 15 video interviews per month, and then make sure at least 80% of people interviewed are from our target. Correct? So these are some examples from various functions that I wanted to give you. Again, some more examples to make you understand it better. Example for finance OKR. Improve annual budgeting and business planning is the objective that we have kept in our mind. And then what are the KRs? Submit 5 budget proposals before 1st of September. Conduct a planning session for each of the 5 division managers. Close the final budget by the end of the November. Right? Then for product management, suppose the objective is implement new 360-degree product planning process. What are we going to do in order to achieve that? Finish documentation that divide clear roles. Decide and implement the input method for design and development. So in bracket, you can see some numbers. So you can give and achieve, decide your numbers as what you want to achieve in the organization. It is just for examples it is given. So as per your own needs, requirements, you can give those numbers. So for example, marketing OKRs को लेके चलते हैं. So marketing OKR is successfully implement the weekly newsletter. So one of the job responsibility of a marketing manager is to introduce newsletters in the organization, right? Newsletters which talks about क्या क्या चल रहा है company के अंदर, what are the activities, communication किस तरीके से करना है internal के लिए. What are they going to do is grow subscriber base at least 5% per every, right? New subscribers लेकर आएंगे and then we will increase the subscription rate of newsletters. The second is increase the CTRs to above industry average of 3.5%. Then finalize the content strategy कि क्या क्या उसके अंदर जाएगा, किस तरीके का structure रहेगा, what are the things that we are going to do in the next 6 months, right? Let me make it more easy for you to understand. These are the things that we keep in mind when we are writing the OKRs. What are the things? Whether it is verifiable, whether it has a benchmark. Benchmark मतलब जैसे हमने बेस ईयर के साथ मिलकर काम किया था कि बेस ईयर में हमने इतना परसेंट करना है, इस साल हमने इतना सब करना है. So that benchmark has to be there, that you are making a comparison against something. What is the best practice so far? Then there has to be a target, very clear. It should be measurable. The focus needs to be very, very clear. There should be a timeline, whether you want to keep it for quarter, for 6 months, or for a year. Generally, when we design OKRs in an organization, it is for a quarter. That means keeping 3 months in mind. And then the planning has to be very crisp when we are doing that. So let's see. I have kept this slide again free so that we can do this exercise right here, right now. So you can stop writing down. Now, again, continuing with the same goal that we were talking about, you all have to tell me one goal each that you have for yourself, that you have set for yourself. Anything. It can be personal, professional, whatever.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Gulshan?
Ma'am, what is the means for benchmark? I think For benchmark time
means that
time
no, benchmark is not time
time
bound.
foundation.
No, benchmarking is that there is already a good practice. There is already that somebody has achieved. So that's the highest bench. Then now, what are you going to do in order to achieve that? So, for example, last year in our organization, suppose my target is as a HR manager is recruitment, right? So last year, to increase the overall company's growth and development, we hired 27 good people, right? That's the benchmark for hiring we completed last year in the timelines that was given to us. This year, we are now increasing in order to more increase our growth and development in the market. We are now increasing it to 35 people. So 27 was the benchmark. Now we are competing against that and we are saying from 27 to now 35 more people in the organization in the major departments that we have to hire so that we can increase our revenues also. Right? So that's the benchmarking. So anything from which you can compare.
ma'am.
Generally it is called best practices. So let's talk about one goal each. So what are the goals that you have? So who will start? So let's start with Sarmangla ma'am. She's there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ma'am, tell me what is one goal that you have for yourself? Anything, it can be related to say, your physical health or your mental health, that you will read books, you gain knowledge, or you will go to office on time if you're not going on time. Anything, any specific goal that you have for yourself. Yeah, let's start with Veena. Okay.
To pull out a little quality time to do something to the society.
Only time to do something for society. Very good. All right, very nice. Yes, Veena. Ma'am.
To complete reading one book in a month.
Good. Yeah. Gulshan?
To solve the problem of our society as well as to become a millionaire at the age of 25.
Become millionaire लिख लेते हैं ना. To become millionaire by the age of 20.
Before the age of 25.
By the age of 25. Good. Yes, Neeru, what's yours?
Ma'am, to complete my homework on time.
To complete your
My
homework.
on time. Yeah.
Which homework you're talking about? The one that I give you or the housework that you do?
No, ma'am, that you gave me. Housework that I have to do every time. Like it's like okay, now I'm getting time. After some time, I
So
will
to
do.
complete the assignments लिख लेते हैं homework.
Yeah. Okay.
Homework
Yeah.
sounds very foolish.
Okay. Yeah. Assignments.
Assignments on time. Weekly कर देते हैं. तो weekly भी दे देंगे. Correct. So Rupesh, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Rupesh, what is
Uh,
your goal? One goal.
Whatever I learn in this in 30 years of my life, that will pay back to society in next 30 years of my life.
Okay. Learning of 30 years to give back to society in next 30 years. Good. Perfect. So these are your goals, right? So let's take it from first one. So Mangala ma'am क्या लेके चलते हैं. So you have to tell me what are the OKRs for. So what are the key areas that you will work on?
Help the students.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Help the students, those who want to learn, but not in a capability, not have the capability to learn, to do something for them.
Okay, so first thing that you will do is planning.
Planning.
Planning in order to understand what is there, which segment of the society you want to help. See, because
What
when
do
we
they lack?
right, where do they lack, and where do we want to contribute? Because there are so many things in society where our help is required or needed. We have so much to give back to society, but again, the idea is that we can't do everything at one point in time. So we need to plan accordingly. That which is the segment which is actually affecting you the most. So what is
Or
that
where we
segment?
can contribute, where we can
Yeah,
contribute.
where we can use our skills or whatever money, value, time, whatever we have to give to the society, where we can use that. So first is planning, right? How are you going to plan? So which segment are you going to take up?
Adolescents.
Adolescents, kids, you want to take up teaching or giving them skills orientation? What exactly is it your mind?
Orientation for mental health.
Orientation on mental health. Now, you want to do it weekly or you want to do it daily? How much time can you actually take out from your schedule?
At least 5 hours over a week. It will
Every
be
day.
daily or on.
So it's a weekly thing that you want to do. So weekly 2 hours?
Weekly 5 hours.
Next? What exactly?
Pardon, ma'am?
What exactly is there in your mind? Orientation ke साथ साथ? What are the specific things that you want to reach?
Kids these days are clueless. They have everything, but they don't know what to do. There are always no for them. What exactly they are supposed to do, they don't know. So just to to give them, restructure a goal for them, so that they can work to.
Good. So that's what happened with Sarmangla ma'am's goal. Who wants to go next? Nina? Yours was the next, huh? To complete reading one book in a month. So in order to do that, what are you going to do?
I'll select a book.
Easy है ये वाला ना?
I'll select one book.
So what are your KRs are? Select one book. So that is your specific, as well as the quantity that you are doing. Then next is that you take out time from your schedule, right?
Or fix a time for reading.
So take out time in the sense that you're planning in advance, that when,
Yes,
which
yes.
hour. Then exactly you plan what time. So suppose let's say 3 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah,
Yes.
1 hour. What else will you do?
And if I have to make it more specific, minimum read minimum 2 pages a day.
Would be less. Any book would be of 150 pages minimum.
Book should be, let us say, 200 pages book.
2 pages in a day for a month would be less.
This is minimum is 2 pages. Maximum can be as much as you can.
This is what, you know, your OKRs now look like for reading the book. You can start doing that. Good. So who is next? Gulshan, to become millionaire at the age of 25. Okay. So that's interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gulshan. So you can all add up, you know, you can all give him suggestions, what he wants to do, how he can reach his OKR. So his objective is
Okay.
to become millionaire by the age of 25. Okay. So what are the KRs? Yeah, tell me, Gulshan, what are the KRs that you have in mind? How do you want to do that?
To read yeah, to read a self-help book
Okay.
and complete one book in a month, in a week, sorry, in a week.
No, week. Okay.
And to have the multiple sources of income.
Multiple sources of income. Right. So,
And next one, that is to solve the problem of our society. Whatever problem our society, our nation are facing,
that is not
because
related to this
every
goal.
startup.
Let's concentrate on one goal. Right now, your goal is to become millionaire by age of 25. That can be another
Yeah.
goal for which you can write more OKRs. You know? So right now we are just doing one. So let's concentrate on this one. So what are the
He
KRs?
has to,
Yeah.
I think he has to identify an area of interest or passion, because this is to become a millionaire, no?
Correct.
Not just to make some money.
Yeah, is that correct, Gulshan?
Yes, ma'am. That's why I am talking. I have multiple sources of income, and I will invest my money in the share market and in you can say real estate.
Invest money
And
in
I will
share
take care.
market. Very good. And
So
good. Okay. What else?
and to read the self-help book, for example, The Psychology of Money, Atomic Habits, like this. Yeah. And for example, Power of Subconscious Mind, and for example, this book.
Such a lot of not giving up. Okay.
Yeah.
इसमें कुछ खास नहीं है. I have read all these four. Not really too much
Yeah.
information. For becoming a millionaire, this one is not really a good one to read. The F word has been used so much that you actually get frustrated at the end of the day. Okay.
No, what I feel is, no, if Gulshan is going behind so many things, how will he become a millionaire? He can do many things, but at the same time, he should have one thing which he has to concentrate upon, right?
May I ask a question? Do you have any role model, like to whom, but you know, you must be having some like Warren Buffett or somebody. You know, you want to be a millionaire like him, or like Bill Gates, or some. I think you require somebody, and maybe you start reading about that
My
person.
my role
You know,
model is Ritesh Agarwal, that is founder of OYO, and
then you
Warren
must
Buffett.
explore how
His
he did that.
lifestyle.
Do a
Yeah.
lot of research on that, and then explore the ways which he used, and see whether it is you are able to, you know, duplicate
Actually,
it.
they had read too many books. At least they had complete one book in a week. Whatever millionaire exists in the world, actually, all are reading book. Without reading book, you cannot
Yes, that's a very common
become
thing
millionaire.
between all the millionaires.
If we
Right.
become millionaire, then we cannot maintain it. If we become millionaire without reading book, then we cannot maintain it.
Correct.
Yeah,
You need to know how to
that's
use
right.
your money. Good. So that's a very common point between all the millionaires and billionaires in the world, that they take out time to at least read for 2 hours in a day, minimum 2 hours in a day.
What, ma'am?
I said I read that every millionaire and billionaire in the world, who has actually become from nothing to millionaire or billionaire, was in a habit or still is in the habit of reading books. Like Bill Gates read from morning 5 to 7:30 in the morning. He reads. He makes sure that in a month he's reading 5 books. Even today, Jeff Bezos again is in the habit of reading books. So all the millionaires and billionaires in the world has this good habit of reading books. True. So acquiring knowledge is as much important as acquiring money. Right? Anything else that comes to your mind, Gulshan, for your goal? I feel you need to settle it down. I mean, you need to get more specific in terms of in 1 year how much you have to achieve your results. So suppose you want to reach by the age of 25. So what age are you at right now? I think you're 21.
What, ma'am?
What is your age currently?
Currently, I am between 20 and 21.
So around 2021. So you need to write down from now onwards that in these 4 years, what are you going to do differently than what you have been doing in order to become millionaire by. So what exactly are the areas where you are going to invest your money in? Like you said, share market and real estate. That's very nice to get more specific. If you want to have multiple sources of income, what are those sources of income? Whether you want to utilize your time into doing a job, or you want to start your entrepreneurship, some business, or you want to invest your money in something. But before investing, obviously you need to earn that money. Right?
Yeah,
So how are
ma'am.
you going to earn? So you have to specifically write it down year on year, that this particular 1 year, what I am going to do. So suppose from the age of 21 to 22, what are the things that you are going to do specifically? Writing down your goals every day, every morning, or weekly, gives you a very clear idea where you want to go into your life. When we go haywire, when we actually are not able to reach to a stage where we are not meeting our goals in between our lifetime, it is purely because we do not write it down. Writing it down
Yes,
make it
ma'am.
more crisp, make it more clear for every one of us, and hence it is a very good habit. So if you want to really achieve something in life, the first habit, the first practice that we have to incorporate is writing it down. Right? So this is what you can do. Okay, so coming to Niru, yeah, what is your goal? Very simple one you have to taken, to complete weekly assignments on time. Okay, so what are you going to do in order to do that? To complete weekly assignment on time. What are the OKRs, KRs that you want to do?
First, I have to fix a time that like during 3 to 4 or 4 to 5, I just have to
Yeah.
leave for myself. I just have to complete my assignments.
So planning में आप करेंगे सबसे पहले take out a specific time.
And this is the most difficult task.
See, the idea is to take out time to go through the class recording again. Because what happens is when we are here in the class for 1 hour or 2 hours, we are also into discussion and we are discussing various things. So sometimes the key points of every class goes away from our mind. The idea of recording the sessions are purely this, that when you can get time, you can actually go through these points again, or you can go to the PPT again. and see what I missed and where I am lacking. Right? That's the first thing that you need to do. Then coming down to the second point, that even if it is 15 minutes a day, because it's a week's time, we understand that you are all working professionals, so you are already working somewhere, maybe in a house or outside. Hence, the classes are designed in a manner that we do not take up too much of time and energy of you. So even if you're giving 15 minutes a day to the classes, right, understanding the notes, PPT, anything, that will give you enough time to go ahead and reach your goal. Right? That is really, really important. So go through the class recording or take out 15 minutes. Start with 15 minutes a day. Whenever, before sleeping, after getting up, whatever time you have for yourself, you have to do that. And it is always necessary that you have some time, no matter how busy you are or how much you enjoy working for your family at home, having at least 1 hour for yourself is very, very critical and important for your mental health. Because last 2 years, it's like for us also, we are kind of a housewife as well as we are working professional, because we are working from home. When you go out and work in the office, you're not really a housewife. You are not really interested in what is going on in the house, because you're out for 8 hours, 9 hours, right? So things are not really in your control to manage, so people don't bother you. But when you're sitting at home and you're working, your job responsibility or your responsibility actually becomes much more bigger. Because your family can see you sitting here, so they will keep coming to you asking questions.
Expectations are high.
Absolutely. So expectations become high. So it is for every one of us, right? Not really for gender based. It can be for my husband also. So अगर नल का काम नहीं कर रहा है, so I'll go to him, tell him in between his Zoom meeting कि plumber को बुला दो या something, do something. So it is gender based, and it can happen for anybody. So it has to be very clear that what is it that you have kept for yourself, at least for 1 hour a day you have to. Because अभी हमें realize नहीं होता है, but when we reach to a different stage of our life, then we realize कि हमने life में कितना कुछ खो दिया, we could have done so much more. जैसे अभी हम books पढ़ने की बात कर रहे हैं, to know something different. After 15, 18 years, I think you have started these classes. You've already given 15 years of your life to your family completely. So now it is your time to take out that 1 hour and do something for yourself. Not just these classes, read self-help books, exercise, do something for your mental health stability. Right? So that's just a suggestion. Yeah, Sarmangla ma'am, you were saying something.
I think even rough work could be done early. So instead of going the final one, rough work or the scribbling work, etc., could be done, like in short spans of time, so that we need only to compile it at a later date.
Yeah, actually, this is the thing that I am trying my level best. That okay, at 6 I have to attend my session. Then at like 5 to 6, this is the hour. This is the busiest hour of my whole day. If 5 to 6, if I have to attend the session, then I have to prepare a lot of things. Like I have to cook food early, and I have to manage so many things before my time. And after that, also that there is some urgent work that has come in between 6 to 8, and then I have to go. Usually 6 to 8 in Saturday or Sunday, guests are, I don't know how they came to know my cousins are going on a day to reach on time.
No, I feel that you should have a work life and home life balance should be there. Like as Archana ma'am told, spend some time for at least listening to music or something that you're of like some interest to you. Then you will be able to balance it.
But the thing is, what type of family I am in, I'm living in. My mother-in-law is a bedridden patient. Okay, she is like totally helpless. I have to change diapers and feed her on time to time, and giving medicines, everything. I have a house help, but instead of that, I have to do a lot of things. Then Dadiji, she is around 90, and Dadaji just passed away. My father-in-law, then my children, my husband. So
Niru,
sleeping, everything very, yeah.
Just 1 second. You know,
Yes, ma'am.
it is because that you look on only to you that you're feeling it as a problem. Look on to
Yeah.
others who are, observe others,
Yeah.
people outside. That is what I used to do. Earlier, when I used to take care of my mother, no, I was feeling so upset. Like I feel, something downtrodden, or by ill fate, I am made to do all these things. So when I started to look outside, I understood that all other people are, having problems more than what I have. You have a good job, you are getting paid, and these are small, small things which we need to relations have. We have to make adjustments.
Yeah.
I think that is highly needed.
Yeah. Very true,
Also,
ma'am.
letting them know about what is important for you is also very, very important. You know, what most females generally do not do, or maybe when it comes to the family structure, what we fail to do is that we don't let them know that what exactly is we are looking for ourselves. Right? We start compromising and we start adjusting as per the needs and requirements of others. So the first thing is priority. At least if you have attended, you have made sure that you have to attend these classes. I'm sure your family members are aware that these 2 hours is yours. Right? So I'll tell you my example. I'm not saying that I'm the best, but I have told all my relatives and friends not to come and disturb me between 6 to 8 on Saturday, Sundays. Right?
Because
Even
they all
though they
know you
tell
are
me,
working and you are
yes.
working. These are
No,
your
no,
working
no,
hours,
no,
ma'am.
no. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. So Saturdays and Sundays, are party times. When the entire family meets, so friends come over for drinks and
Yeah.
parties and all that, or we go to somebody's place. But we have made sure that 6 to 8 is not the time when I am disturbed. Most of the planning, actually, there is a WhatsApp group, and all the planning is going on side by side in that group right now. But I told them that I will not participate. My participation will come either before 6 or after 8, and they're very clear about that. The party starts now at 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Anyway, so you have to let them know what are your needs specifically. If you won't let them know, they will keep taking you for granted. And trust me, take this as an advice. I have lost so much of my time into making people happy. But one month
Yeah, even I have.
later
Even I
on,
have.
yeah, so later on, you actually start realizing that you have wasted so much of your time into doing that, and people will never be happy, no matter how much you do.
Yeah.
Correct? No
I know,
matter.
ma'am,
Yeah,
and I'm
you give
still
your
doing
hundred
that.
percent, so you can't make all 100. Like I said earlier, also that we are not aloo parathas that we can make everybody happy all the time. We cannot. We are humans. We have our own needs and requirements, and there is no problem in taking out time for yourself, as and when you can. Right? So if you have kept these 6 to 8 for yourself, just 2 days in your life, yeah, perfectly
I
fine.
think you are too plain a person. You have to be a little
Yeah,
tricky also.
you have to
You
get
have to be a
into
little
that
tricky.
mode. Right? See, there are 4 females telling you something, so I'm sure कुछ अच्छा होगा. Veena is not contributing much, but I'm sure she must have so much more to contribute into this area.
Yeah, yeah, she's observing everything, ma'am, very carefully.
So most of the things have already been. It's very important to look after yourself. If you don't look after yourself, you will not be able to look after others. So the first person to please
Correct.
is you.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. Because if you're not happy within, you can't give your happiness to others. Trust me. अभी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हम फैमिली के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, बट नो मैटर हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दे मेक यू राइट नाउ, इट विल नेवर बी द सेम केस.
I feel she is too young, maybe. Once she gets matured, she herself will reflect back. That is how we all became like that.
I know. Age plays.
Yeah, want to be aloo paratha still. I'm in the stage want to be aloo paratha. Want to make everyone happy.
No, you can't. Trust me, you cannot. There are so
That's
many
something
different
that
versions. Yeah.
that is something which you should, that is one objective you should have in life. I can't make everybody happy, but I'll
Yeah.
behave nicely with everybody.
Absolutely.
But how much ever you try hard, it is never, somebody will be disgruntled all the time.
Yeah,
So
ma'am,
accept it.
actually,
Now
I
look,
am,
you are not.
now I feel I am doing much better. There was a time when, and if I'll say ki I didn't give that much time to my children that I give to the family. So this is like this ki I gave all the time to the elders of my family, like Dadaji, Dadiji, and Mommy, and everybody. So it was still I'm trying my best to come out from that stage, and I'm trying my level best. But right now it's like I just told Aditi, okay, 6 2 hours Saturday and Sunday I'm going to join yoga classes. So you have to wait for me for 2 hours. Okay, after 8 I will meet you. And she became restless. Okay, for 2 hours you are not here with me, and like every time.
Yeah,
"अच्छा,
because
आपकी
they are
class थोड़ी सी छोटी
habituated.
कर
See,
दो."
it's not their
Yeah.
fault, but because they were habituated to, they will say that. It will take time for them to adjust to this particular thing.
No, you are not Mother Teresa or Jesus Christ, no, to suffer everything and then have a
Correct.
smile on your face. You can
Very
make
true.
others happy only if you are happy. If I
Yes.
am not
Very,
happy, I
very
will not be
true.
able to make others happy.
Cannot. It
How
cannot happen.
you
Yeah.
like a comic character in a, like, what do you call, in a circus or something like that. They suffer and make others happy. That is not supposed
Absolutely.
to.
You will actually
God
become a clown. Yeah.
will,
You are making people
God will
happy
punish
with
us
your
if
mode.
we do it.
Good.
Yeah,
So
I
we'll
think
they
you
come
have
to
to
will
this
back me up.
discussion. Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
may
Rupesh
I
and
ask?
Wilson will say, what are we doing?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Rupesh. So yours.
Uh,
Let's start with yours. So your
Ma'am,
objective is learning of 30 years to give back to society in next 30 years. So what is it that you have, your first step?
the first thing is that, ma'am, every day I read Indian Express. That is in my habit, and after that
How it is
I
helping
follow.
you?
By that, I am acquiring knowledge about what is going every day in the global world. Uh, After that, I follow the verdict of Supreme Court, which is really, which is which impacted to society in help of progressiveness, and what will actually impact on environment daily basis. And after that, I wanted to whenever I am in my native palace, I spent my time to the needy person, whoever, as like widow women. Whenever I go to their home, I
How
try
much time
to.
do you spend?
Uh, Ma'am, not in a daily basis, but in a week, 1 or 2 days, I go through their homes, and my thought is that what is the basic thing is the government project or government planning, which is not actually go directly to their hands. I help out to those family to acquire that help, whatever is given by government. And
Okay.
after that uh, ma'am, by doing this, there is a complaint from my mother to my father about myself, that is, I am very little time I have to spend with my family members, and within that, uh, I only spend time with my family when I go to eat food of 2 or 3 times. So that is also complaint of my mother to my father about myself. So
Okay.
and one major thing is that whenever I go to my native palace, I wanted to spend my time with my grandfather and grandmother, just because my grandfather says he's 90 years old, and grandmother is at 88. So by spend time with them, I acquired too much knowledge about society and nature of people. uh, so that's all, ma'am.
Okay. But what is your plan? What do you want to give back to society? See, it has to be very crisp and clear.
uh,
You know?
yes, ma'am.
Again, for
the
30
the
years,
the
what we have
planning,
acquired, 30 years knowledge that we have
planning of my
acquired. Yeah.
planning of mine is planning of mine is in this time we all see how the unemployment rate is uh, raised, uh, so extensive. So my planning is that whenever I have a full knowledge about entrepreneurship, then I planning for to open a company by which I create jobs for local people who are looking for jobs who live around of mine. So that is my primary goal.
Good. That's nice. Very good. What else?
Ma'am, I feel,
Thank you.
ma'am, I feel you have to little reframe the second point because it looks odd. Weekly 2 to 3.
With those upliftments कर दो.
I am not saying that. I am saying that
For their empowerment.
whenever I have time,
Yeah.
then actually my house is located in a rural area, ma'am. So Sarvamangala, ma'am, I wanted to inform you. There is you. I think you must aware with poverty of our society. What when you have read about Bihar especially, the thing is that in Bihar, the thing is worst, not bad, ma'am,
No,
worst.
what she's saying
Even
that, I wrote that point differently.
oh yes,
So I
yes,
need
yes,
to
yes,
make
yes,
changes
yes.
in the point. Nothing for you. She was not making a comment on what you are doing. So you're doing a good job.
No,
But see, for whatever you have to give back to society, Rupesh, we have to crisp it down to 2 or 3 points. See, right now, at what stage you are, whatever employment you are doing, or whatever job you are in, or whatever money you are making, or whatever time you have with yourself. So you have to find out through that see, 30 years is a very long term, right?
yes,
So we
ma'am.
have to take
Actually,
it down to
actually,
2 to 3 years कि इन 3 साल में next 3 years में what I am going to do. फिर then again next 3 years what are you going to do? So these short term goals will keep you on the toes and you will be
yes, ma'am.
able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
give
Yes,
it
ma'am.
back to the society easily. So that's the thing. So I'll tell you what I do. This goal is there in my mind also, that whatever I have learned or whatever I have acquired from society, I want to give it back also. So what we did was we searched for. I was just walking down on a road and I saw that there is a construction going on near our society, near our home, and there is multiple construction sites going on. Not really large ones, but smaller ones. Where people are constructing their homes, their offices, or small malls and all that. So what we did was we saw a lot of kids, roaming around in that area of these people who are actually coming to create something. And the construction workers, kids. So we noticed that, and I told my husband that go and talk to them whether these students are actually enrolled into some schools or not. We found out that none of them were studying because these construction people were keep moving from one place to another. एक दो साल एक जगह पर हैं, then they shift to some other place, and most of these people are from Bihar or UP, majority of them, or from West Bengal. Right? So these are the three major areas, and trust me, these kids were looking so sharp and bright that I actually thought of doing something of my own. I had no plans by that time that what I am going to do. So we started a small school from our home itself. I called all these of them, and it took almost a month and a half to make them understand why we are doing that. First was to earn their trust. They were not happy at all that why are we doing that? What is our purpose into that? Because every time when you go to these people, उनके दिमाग में ये आता है कि आपका क्या इसके अंदर benefit है. Then I had to make them understand. I made their wives understand that we are doing it purely to give them something. Still, they didn't come to study.
Ma'am,
Then what
not
I
only
offered them,
in that
एक
people,
बात,
ma'am,
listen to me,
that
what we are doing is, you have to give them bribe that you are going to give them meals at your home, then only they will come. Or meals के लिए भी they did not agree on the very first time. So it is not really easy to start an NGO or start something of your own because these people do not trust on us so easily. So I offered them that I'll give them at least a glass of milk and something to eat side by side, maybe a fruit because they are not able to get those fruits on a daily basis. So maybe a banana, an apple, anything that I can give. We started with that. Still they said कि we want to taste the milk first as a parent कि आप क्या दे रहे हो, then only you can give. So I called kids, okay, you can come, you're most welcome to come at my place and taste the milk. 2-3 days they did that, and then afterwards they got the trust कि no, they are not going to serve my children something different. We had to bought a lot of books, copies, different kind of things. not just bought, I asked my friends, circle and all that, so they contributed in giving a lot of worksheets and notebooks and all that, pencils, stationery, whatever is required. So this is how you have to earn. So the entire time period that I had kept in my mind, कि ये लोग shift हो जाएंगे 2 साल के अंदर या 1 साल के अंदर, so I'll start teaching them from today onwards. It did not happen that way. So your planning actually goes haywire. You have to keep that in mind कि 2 महीना तो आपको उनको सिर्फ ट्रस्ट गेन करने में लग गया और उनको कन्विंस करने में लग गया दैट दिस स्टडी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प देम. But after almost after 1.5 years till we were doing all these activities, I had almost 17% people, kids coming to my home, starting from the age of 2.5 years to 13 years of age. And they were not studying in any school. They were not part of any school. So accordingly, according to their age, we were teaching them different kind of things altogether. And trust me, after 1.5 years, when they started writing their own names or started talking in English, what is your name, and they were able to answer that. So their parents were really happy to see the upliftment that happened. So similarly, what I am trying to say is that 30 years is a very long period. You have to plan it down to a smaller goal for a smaller short period of time, so that you can actually reach so many people and so doing so many things in 30 years. That's the whole purpose of why I share this story with you.
Yes, ma'am. I am agree with you.
Yeah. So do that. Write it down that next 3 years, what is it that you have in your mind? Which part of the
In
segment?
next,
Yeah. Which part
uh,
of this? जैसे Sar Bangla ma'am said that she wants to cater to the kids who are at the age between who are teenagers basically, so starting from 13 to
in
17.
yes, ma'am. First of all, I also want to share of my past with you. Whenever I'm in graduation in BHU, actually spent every second Friday evening time with local boatmen's kids. Uh, mm, हर एक फ्राइडे को, हर एक दूसरे फ्राइडे को मैम जा करके हम लोग लगभग 14-15 लड़के लड़कियां मिल करके हर एक सेकंड फ्राइडे को पढ़ाते थे. तो
Okay.
उसमें लगभग ये ग्रेजुएशन के टाइम में हम लोग जो वहाँ लोकल बोटमैन के जो बच्चे थे उनको पढ़ाते थे. और उसके बाद इधर रिसेंट के कुछ समय में वी एक्चुअली डू अ सर्वे टू एक्वायर नॉलेज अबाउट हु एक्चुअली कंट्रोल द boatmen in Varanasi, because the local boatmen who actually run the boat are not the owner of the boat. That is the big issue. Actually, we are not getting succeed in this because there is a huge mafia behind that. So we are not much more successful in that, but we try to do something on that in recent time. And after that, when we are in a position, whatever I say to this class, after next 3 years, I must help for the upliftment of unemployed people. That is my primary goal.
Correct. So that's what. See, so this was a planned thing that when you were studying, you did something. So what is it that you want to do? So you have to write down your goals in order to understand how OKRs work in a manner that it reaches to the society on time. Right? The idea is not to just give, but to see what is the return that you are getting out of it. Like uh, you are doing any activity, say for widows right now. So what is it that is in your mind that you want to give to the widows? Whether you are giving them clothes, whether you are giving them food, whether you are giving them better skills so that they can upgrade their life later on. It has to be very specific. If that will not be specific, you will never be able to measure your goal, and you will never be able to tell somebody that this is what you have done for the society. So the reason of doing this exercise is to let you know that your personal goals can also be converted into key result areas, and that's how you can reach your goals in much more better way. Correct? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll share this PPT with all of you. You can write down your goals more crisply, in a more specific manner, and then you can start achieving them. If you want to write it down in this manner, in this particular slide that I had shared with you, I think that would make your life much more easier for any goal. Whether to get a new job, whether to get a promotion, whether to get doing something for society, whether you want to achieve much more in life and you want to become millionaire or billionaire, whatever you want to do. These 5 points, you will do that. And if you can write down personal goals and professional goals separately, it would make even much more easier. Okay? So you got this entire idea of how are you going to write your KRs and with SMART goals. So suppose I give you an activity right now that you have to write down OKRs for HR manager's job. An HR manager working in
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.